So, if you're having problems with your controller here, or with your PC, and it's acting like a mouse on your screen or in game, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to open up Steam here. You want to go to Steam at your top left, and you want to go to Settings. Now, under Settings, you want to go and just look for a controller, and you want to look for something specific here. Now, this is going to be the section for non-game controller layout. You want to look for desktop layout, and just choose Edit. Now, in here, this will basically enable Steam input. So if you do have this enabled, you want to go and just turn it off. So once you have this turned off, that would immediately make some changes into your PC. But there are other things that you may want to do here. Now, you may need to also reset the defaults for your controller. So you want to go to your search bar here, just type in game controller. You want to select setup USB game controllers, and you want to select your current controller here. Go and just choose the properties option, go to settings, and you want to go and just click on reset to default, and just wait for a while, click on apply and okay, and that should be it, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.